the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus. People are instructed to stay at home and practice social distancing to prevent becoming infected. We at Dukes believe nothing is more important than our customers' health and safety. With that being our top priority, we are taking action to do our part to make our services convenient and accessible without putting your health at risk. This has been a top priority for us during the past year. We have upgraded our equipment and implemented a perk-free cleaning process. Starting in April, Dukes will offer a pickup and delivery service for all of our customers. We are calling the service Dukes to Your Door, and the service will come to you at no extra charge. You can find out more about how this service works by clicking the button at the bottom of this video marked Learn More. There will be easy to navigate instructions on our website for how to sign up for this service as well. During 4.5 decades of serving the great folks of Sand Mountain in northeast Alabama, we have witnessed a lot of significant events, some good and some that were not. Through all of them, one thing has not changed. That is the great strength of the good folks we serve. Dukes to Your Door is another way we want to help you stay safe and healthy during this uncertain time.